Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Drug Info. Today I will describe drug generic name Cetirizine. Overview and indications. Cetirizine is a metabolite of hydroxyzine, is a H1 receptor antagonist with minimal anticholinergic activity and low sedating properties. Cetirizine has been shown to be effective in relieving symptoms associated with seasonal allergic rhinitis, perennial allergic rhinitis, and chronic urticaria. Dosage: in adult dose 10 milligrams once a daily. In pediatric dosing under 2 years of age 0.25 milligram per kg per day as single dose. 2 to 6 years of age dose will be 2.5 to 5 milligram per day in 1 to 2 divided doses. Greater than 6 years of age, 5 to 10 milligram per day in divided 1 to 2 doses. Patient counseling. Cetirizine may cause drowsiness. It is not declared safe for driving persons and machine operators. Pregnancy category B may be acceptable. Either animal studies show no risk but human studies not available, or animal studies shown minor risks and human studies done and shown no risk. Adverse effects are dry mouth, fatigue, headache. Thank you for watching Daily Drug Info.